Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful evening here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today, I have a gorgeous 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Has a 5.3 liter V8 with 55,000 miles, so you have the remainder of the limited powertrain factory warranty. Has an 8-speed automatic transmission. Comes in this gorgeous Summit White. You come inside here, and you have this black leather and Kalahari insert interior, which is iconic to the AT4. You have the sunroof. We'll start down here. You have integrated brake controller, charging plugs, and a plug-in. You have heated and vented seats, dual climate control. You have some safety features as parking sensors, automatic start and stop, tailgate down, not safety feature, lane keep assist. Move up here to the infotainment system. Here's your main screen. You do have built-in navigation. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Come over here and you have the trailering app because you have the trailering package. You have a 360 camera system, and that comes with the rear view mirror camera. You have an aftermarket black view dash cam. And of course, if you have the OnStar data package, you have Amazon Alexa, Spotify, you know, things like that. You come over here to steering wheel. You have a heated steering wheel. You have a gap adjustment for your cruise control. Here's your settings. You have Bluetooth and your menu settings. 55,169 miles. You have your automatic lights, your four-wheel drive, and two high and two low, or four low. You do have a heads-up display. There you go. You can see a little bit. This does come with all-weather GMC floor mats. You have rear back seats. Look, this thing will not last long. The aftermarket dash cam. You have this low profile 3-tier fold bed cover, multi-pro flex tailgate, and this bed drawer system. Now I'm not going to go into all the features of this tailgate, but this step, which is mainly the most used purpose of it, is can hold 375 pounds. Sorry, it's a little cold out here, so I'm just trying to hurry up with this. This thing will not last long. It's in great shape. It's a gorgeous truck. The AT4 is a very popular trim package, and the 5.3 is a really reliable engine. So my number will be down in the description. So there's our website and the social media links. If you're looking for a vehicle, stick around to the end of the video and get my contact information. Our inventory is always changing. You can go to our social media links. You can like, you can follow. It's always changing, always posting on there. New and used vehicles. So if you're looking for something, let me know. This is available. If you're interested, call, text me. Let's talk numbers, make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.